Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, Chelsea said that because Liverpool signed Eketike, 95 million. So for that matter, Nicola Jackson is rightfully deserved to be valued 80 to 100 million. Chelsea value Nicola Jackson 80 to 100 million, and Chelsea is using Eketike 95 million to Liverpool as a benchmark to say that Jackson deserves that value 80 to 100 million. And currently, Aston Villa and Manchester United interested to sign Nicola Jackson. Yes, this is the information, guys. Chelsea value Nicola Jackson between 80 million to 100 million, with Manchester United and Aston Villa among the clubs interested. The Blues plan to use the 70 million Hugo Eketike deal as a benchmark for Jackson's potential sale. And in fact, guys, this is true. Yes, this is 100% true. I'm telling you. If Liverpool can sign play like Eketike, 95 million, what shows that Nicola Jackson cannot be valued 80 or 100 million? What shows? For me, if I were to be even Liverpool scout or sporting director, I will sign Nicola Jackson over Eketike for Liverpool. I'm telling you. Why? See, Jackson is someone who has high ceiling. In the future, if Jackson can work on his finishing, see, Jackson will become a complete striker. He can pass, he can dribble with the ball, he can position himself very well, and these are the basic things any striker must have. Just that the finishing is not there. And we all know that for young players, they grow. In the future, I'm seeing Jackson working on his finishing. And if Jackson can get the finishing right, guys, as I said, Jackson will become one of the complete strikers in the world. And as we are speaking now, he is Premier League proven player. Jackson has been in the Premier League for 2.5 seasons now. And we all know these German players, yes, Bundesliga strikers, when they are coming to Chelsea, they must adapt. We signed our Timo Werner. What happened next? We didn't see the Timo Werner we signed from Leipzig. We signed Nkunku. What happened next? We didn't see the same Nkunku we signed from Leipzig. Even Havertz. He need to took Havertz some few seasons before he adapted to the Premier League intensity. So that is why I said, even if I were to be Liverpool sporting director, I will sign Jackson over Hugo Eketike. I'm telling you, because as I said, Jackson is Premier League proven player, and Jackson is not all that bad too. Since Jackson came to Chelsea, almost the 2 seasons, he scored more than 10 goals. Yes, last season, Jackson scored more than all Manchester United strikers combined, even Arsenal. I'm telling you. So the way people are looking at Jackson, he is not that bad too. But just that Chelsea is so big that we can't put that heavy duty on him as a young guy who is just developing. The pressure in Chelsea is a lot, and Jackson cannot handle it. That is why Jackson was looking like he was exposed. He is not all that bad as we are looking at him. So Eketike and Jackson, for me, I can't spot the difference. I can't spot the difference. Jackson is even upper when it comes to the Premier League experience. We don't even know what Eketike is bringing to Liverpool table or to the Premier League. We don't know whether he can come and adapt to the Premier League intensity or not. We don't know. But nobody can tell me that Jackson doesn't adapt to the Premier League intensity. What just left with Nicola Jackson is the finishing. If Jackson can work on his finishing, he will be like Hurricane. I'm telling you, he will be like, see, not because we are Chelsea fans, Jackson is our player. See, if you take your time and look at Jackson very well as a player, he had the potential, as I said. The higher ceiling is there. So, Eketike, 95 million, Jackson can be sold 80 million or 100 million. So, guys, as we are speaking now, Aston Villa and Manchester United interested to sign Nicola Jackson, and Chelsea is using Eketike 95 million to Liverpool as a benchmark. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Do you even think should Chelsea keep Nicola Jackson, or should Chelsea sell him, or do you think Jackson deserves the 80 to 100 million valuation, guys? Let me hear from you, and let's come to the next transfer. Before we go there, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more football fans on the YouTube algorithm. Let's come to another player Chelsea interested to sign, or Chelsea even started talks, Xavi Simons. This is the information, guys. Chelsea have a serious interest in Xavi Simons. Understand talks between the club and the player camp already haven't started. no club-to-club talks yet. First, it needs to be checked whether an agreement can be reached between CFC and the player. Chelsea are currently the most concrete option. Arsenal are monitoring the situation. Bayern are not concretely in the race so far, but Max Ebel is informed about everything. Xavi want to leave Leipzig. Yes, everything showed that Simon want to leave Leipzig and he want to come to the Premier League. So as we are speaking now, he's come and Chelsea, they are having talks to see if they can agree on the personal terms. Then they can have club-to-club talks. Chelsea and Leipzig can then talk about the fee. But currently, they are discussing about the wages. Yes, and the plan, Chelsea will give it to him, whether he will come and get the playing time or not. And that is the worry of some Chelsea fans about this signing. Yes, they are asking, where is he going to play? Him coming to Chelsea, who is he going to bench? And yes, that is an important big question because he is a versatile player. He can play as attacking midfielder, the left wing and the right wing position. And he is another young player, 22 years of age. Yes, he fits into our project. But who to bench? Yes, that really matters because the attacking area, Cole Palmer is there. The left wing and the right wing, Gittins is there. Neto is there. Estavio is joining. So indeed, him getting playing time in Chelsea will be difficult. But for me, I see him to be maybe, let's say, a backup for Cole Palmer because he is a good player. I won't lie. Yes, I watch his videos, his clips. Him being on the ball, he is so direct. He wants to create chances. He wants to give that insane passes. Yes, he had the balance on the ball. He had the flair on the ball. Xavi Simon. So he is a good player. But a good player is not enough. You must go to the pitch and show it. So the playing time really matters. It really matters, guys. So let me hear from you under the comment section, guys. Do you even think we need him? Because it is looking like all that position he's going to come and play are already occupied. Yes, the attacking area, the left wing and the right wing. And as we are speaking now, Chelsea and his camp, they are having talks. Let me hear from you under the comment section, guys, about Chelsea signing Xavi Simon. And Veiga to Atlético Madrid. Veiga said yes to Atlético Madrid, guys. This is it from Fabrizio. Understand, Renato Veiga said yes to Atlético Madrid. No issues on personal terms. Atlético and Chelsea remain in direct talks for Renato Veiga as reported over the weekend. Chelsea insists on package reaching 40 million with Aarons included. So as we are speaking now, personal terms is not more an issue between Veiga and Atlético Madrid. Veiga want to join Atlético Madrid. But now, it is between Chelsea and Atletico. Yes, to talk about the fee. And Chelsea want to sell him 40 million. Yes, that will not be bad. Yes, the fee, it will be good. Yes, but the issue is that some of us wanted Veiga to stay. Yes, because when we look at that Cucurella position, we need a backup for Cucurella, guys. I'm telling you. But he forced his way out. Yes, he wanted to be starting regularly. And this is Chelsea. It can't happen unless you prove it. And even we have our Enzo Maresca. If Enzo Maresca doesn't rate you, you are in problem. You can do whatever you can do. You can play more than Messi or Ronaldo. If Enzo Maresca doesn't rate, no, you'll not get the playing time. So I think that is the issue with Veiga. So we are wishing him all the best. Yes, once a blue is always a blue. And I don't think Veiga even play more than 20 games in Chelsea. Yes, but he ever been a Chelsea player. So guys, Veiga said yes to Atlético Madrid. Let me hear from you under the comment section about Veiga going to Atlético Madrid. Or should Chelsea keep him? And let's come to these players Chelsea interested to sign. Yes, Chelsea showing interest on these wingers. This is the information, guys. Xavi Simon, Alejandro Garnacho, Morgan Rogers and Kenan are all some of the players Chelsea are currently looking at. Yes. And in fact, for Garnacho, I keep on saying it here every day. If Chelsea get the little chance to sign him, Chelsea will sign him. And Xavi Simon, he will be a good signing, as I said. Morgan Rogers, I think every Chelsea fan will like this signing because the guy is good. I won't lie, the guy is good. But just that the fee, Villa won 80 million for him, or a swapping deal with Chalobah or Andre Santos or Tosin. So that is the difficult part about Morgan Rogers coming to Chelsea. Be it Chelsea pay the 80 million or the swapping deal. Guys, let me hear from you about Morgan Rogers. Should Chelsea do the swapping deal or should Chelsea pay the 80 million? And Kenan, this guy, he is also good player, young player, but I think the fee will be an issue also. Yes, and the personal terms. Yes, but let's see, because he is also a good player. Chelsea signing him, for me, I will not complain. I don't know about you. Let me hear from you under the comment section about Chelsea bringing Kenan. This. Do you think he will be a right signing for us? And Alejandro Garnacho. Yes. For Garnacho, dear Charlie, I'm seeing Chelsea signing Garnacho. This our honest. If they want to sign a player, they will sign him. If Chelsea at the end sell Jackson or Nkunku, I'm seeing Chelsea going for Garnacho. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about this signing. Javi Simon, Alejandro Garnacho, and Roges, and Kenan, all these players Chelsea interested to sign. Yes. And Chelsea loan these our young players. Chelsea loan Sa to Strasbourg. Now in talk with Kendall Payers also to go to Strasbourg. And our young goalkeeper, yes, Mark Pendes also go to Strasbourg on loan. That is good. Yes, they should go there and improve. They should go there and both, yes, play for some time. Maybe in the future, if they get the chance, they can come back to Chelsea first team. Yes, because Sa already has some playing time at the Club World Cup. Mark Pendes, I think, yes, last season he played in one of those Carabao Cup and FA Cup, yes, games. And for Payers, yeah, he just joined. He never even experienced European football. So it's good that he go to Strasbourg and get the European experience and get to have the feelings of European football before we can see maybe next season if Chelsea can let him join the senior team. Because this season, Estavio will be joining as a winger, and next season, Quenda will also join. So let's see whether in the following season to Payers can get the playing time in Chelsea. If he maybe go there and prove himself, play well, I think Chelsea may give him the chance. So guys, these are the latest transfer from Chelsea camp as we are speaking now. During the course of the day, if any update come, I will let you know. So please stay on Football Lion. Tell another Chelsea fan, another football fan about this channel, Football Lion, and turn on the notification bell. When any latest video come, you will be the first person to see it. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care, peace.